Hello there, welcome to the channel. This is English Tutelage Locus. I'm your host, Ovimar. So today, let us look at these expressions that are wrongly used by a lot of English learners. Have you ever seen this word? And this word? It is a problem for a lot of people to differentiate between these and how to use this. So let us start up. So here lies the confusion, IT'(S) and the words ITS, both pronounced as its. Now, what's the difference between these two words and how do we use them? First of all, one is a contraction. The one with an apostrophe mark is a contracted form. So let's look at it. IT'(S). That word is the contracted form of the words it is or it has. So both words look the same, but the usage should be different. Look at this sentence. It is mine. The contracted form then becomes it's mine. Another sentence, it has arrived. Now the contracted form, it is arrived. So the usage of this contraction will tell you which one is the right one to pick. So be very careful when you see the contracted form. Not all of it refers to it is. Sometimes it could also be the contracted form for it has. Okay? So do watch out for that. And then the next word is ITS, the one without the apostrophe mark. This one is a pronoun. It's a possessive pronoun. So it's a word used to show ownership. Alright? So you can have a sentence like, remember, IT'(S) is a contracted form of the expression it is or it has, while the pronoun or the words ITS is a pronoun, okay? It's a third person singular pronoun. It is used to show possession. Remember, the word is a possessive pronoun and it's used to show ownership, okay? So there you go. If you're new to the channel, I'll encourage you to subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button just below the video, and also click the like button, click the bell icon so that anytime I drop new videos you can be notified. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I remain your host, Ovimar. I'll see you again. Watch out for the next lesson. Bye bye.